Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel on your screen today with another video. If you're new to this channel, you're most definitely welcome. Please make sure to click the subscribe button below and turn on the post notification bell so I get notified whenever I upload new content. And do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure to share below and also comment on my video below. Comment on my video below. If you're a returning subscriber, you are most definitely welcome. Thank you for coming back as always to check out your girl. Please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, comment below, and share my videos. So in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing. I got some pretty cool stuffs of Jumia and I have been longing to try this product since the time it came out. So I got it off Jumia and here is the carton. As you know, I always like to confirm that what I ordered is what I got. So I already tore this carton to be sure that everything I ordered for was in here. But now I'm doing the major online unboxing. So you'll be asking, what are these products? Of course, I have been longing to get my hands on the Ordinary Skincare brand. And I got a couple of items. Actually, I got 3 items. Excuse me. I got 3 items. And originally, they didn't come in this box. They came separately. But, you know, I just decided to put everything into one box, since there's one product that I'll be doing an unboxing for. So here are the 3 items I got off Jumia, and these are the Ordinary Skincare products. And this first one is the Ordinary Vitamin C Ascorbic Acid 8% plus Alpha Arbutin 2%. So this is the ascorbic acid that I got for myself. As you guys know, I've battled acne for the longest, and I heard and I've seen that these products are the bomb.com. So I decided to try them out to give you guys a review. But the review will not be now, it will be for after a while, after this video has gone up. So there will be a whole review coming up on how I use this. But this is just an unboxing. I'm not testing or trying out the product immediately. I'm not doing it right now. There will be a whole video dedicated to that will come up soon. So here is the vitamin C ascorbic acid 8% plus alpha arbutin 2%, and here is the product in it. Yeah, so here it is in this amber colored bottle, and it has a dropper. This is the dropper right here. It has a dropper. Use it to apply the product onto your skin. Next one I got is also the niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%, and this is the high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. This is very good for acne. So if you're acne prone, you need niacinamide, and niacinamide combats acne, minimizes the pores, and also it regulates sebum production also. I'm naturally very oily, and I know that applying this niacinamide on top of my skin will kind of eliminate or reduces the sebum production my face ordinarily produces. So that is why I decided to try this. I read through about all of them before I bought any of these items that you have seen. So here is the niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. Zinc is also good for acne, to combat acne, and this is just going to give me a very beautiful glowing skin and minimized pores. I have a whole lot of pores. Like if you look deep down into my skin, you're going to see my pores are very visible. Like look around here, all those things are pores. All these things are open pores, and I know that once I'm using this, it's going to minimize my pores. I'm going to do a whole test for you guys, so just hold on and you're going to see that video. So here it is, and it also has a dropper as well for application. And the next thing I got here is the Ordinary Direct Acid AHA 30%. and BHA 2% peeling solution. And here is the alpha hydroxy acid and the beta hydroxy acid, and it contains 30% and 2% peeling solution. 10 minutes exfoliating facials, pH 3.6. So this is also going to combat against texture irregularities and lackluster tone. So this is really going to like remove the toxins for your face, clean out your pores. So I'll go ahead and open up this thing so you guys can see it very well. I'm still doing a lot of research about this before I put it onto my skin, but here is the ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2%, and it's just this red one that we see that is all over YouTube. This is what it looks like. It is reddish in color and it goes on red. Yeah, so these are the 3 items I purchased for Jumia, for skincare, and I'm very excited on trying out this product because I know that they are the bomb.com. From all the reviews and everything I've seen online, I'm very excited to try out this product to know how it's going to work for me. As you can see, guys, I have a lot of problem going on my skin. I have large pores. I produce sebum like what? And they produce them like water. And I also have acne. I need to reduce my pores and also regulate the sebum production on my face, and also give my face a rejuvenated look because I'm a babe. I am a babe, so I need to look like a babe that I am. Okay, so that is the more reason why I decided to try out this product, and I hope you guys stick around for the usage and the results, like how far this product have been working for me, because I'm definitely going to film that for you guys because I want you guys to know the progress. And if it worked for me, I'll let you know. If it didn't work for me, I will let you know as well. So it's not just to buy products and start using it. You're going to see it included into my skincare regimen. So these are all the 3 items I got off Jumia, and I'm so happy and I can't wait to try them out. Yes, I can't wait to try out those products. They are very good. They are very good. I've read and I've heard a lot about them, and I'm excited to try them out. Exhausted should be an understatement, guys. I am very, very tired at this point. I've spoken a lot today, so I'm going to bring this video to a close today. We have gotten to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and turn on that post notification bell right beside the subscribe icon. Also, make sure to comment below and share my videos. About the comments, if you have used this product before, let me know, and let me know how you use it, and maybe just discuss a few things with me on the comment section. I always come back to read and interact with you guys, so let me know in the comment section. I'm still having a bit of fear if I should use it, if I should not use it, but I am kind of positive that it's going to work. But I'm still trying to read things up, do my research. I've gone online to their website and I've read, but at the end of the day, you want to work with something that your skin accepts. I don't know if that makes sense. You want to work with something that your skin accepts, so you don't end up damaging your skin even more instead of repairing. But fingers crossed, I'm sure this thing will work. I'm sure it's going to give me the results I want. I'm going to run a 1-month update for you guys very soon. Please hold on. Don't choke me with videos. A lot of videos are there to upload. Don't choke me, guys. But I'm going to give you guys a 1-month rundown on how this thing worked, and at the end we'll give our final verdict if it's worth it, if you should go on to purchase it or not. But for now, we're going to bring this video to a standstill. I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed below. Turn that post notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also make sure to comment below, like I already said that, and share my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.